Hi, today's topic some numerical problem on profit and loss. First of all, you know the basic thing is profit and loss always depends on cost price. Okay, then come to the point. Solution number 1. A shopkeeper bought a bat for 500 rupees and sold it for 450 rupees. Find his gain or loss percent. So here CP is equal to CP for cost price is equal to 500 rupees and SP selling price is equal to so SP less than CP. So loss money is equal to 50 rupees and loss percentage is equal to 10%. This is the answer. Problem number 2. A woman buys an umbrella for rupees 200 and sells it for rupees 250. Find her gain or loss percent. So CP is equal to 200 rupees, SP is equal to 250 rupees. So SP greater than CP. Therefore gain is equal to 50 rupees gain rupees and gain percentage is equal to 25%. This is the answer. A man bought mangoes at 10 for 30 and sold them at 15 for 30. Find his gain or loss percent. Once more. A man bought mangoes at 10 for 30 and sold them at 15 for 30. Find his gain or loss percent. CP of 10 mangoes is equal to 30. Therefore, one CP of 1 mango is equal to as same as SP of 15 mangoes is equal to 30. Therefore, SP of 1 mangoes is equal to 2. So, SP less than CP. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Rupees 1. Therefore, loss percentage of one mango is equal to 1 by 3 into 100% is equal to 33.333%. A DVD set was sold at a gain of 15%. Had it been sold for rupees 600 more, the gain would have been 20%. Find the cost price of the DVD set. Once more, a DVD set was sold at a gain of 15%. Had it been sold for rupees 600 more, the gain would have been 20%. Find the cost price of the DVD set. So, gain percentage is equal to 15%. Let be cost price of DVD set X. Therefore, SP is equal to X plus 15% of X and had it been sold for rupees 600 more, the gain would have been 20%. Next, gain is equal to 20%. So, SP is equal to X plus 20% of X is equal to 120X by 100. As per question 120x by 100 minus 115x by 100 is equal to 600. So 5x is equal to 600. X is equal to therefore cost price of DVD set is equal to rupees 12,000. This is the answer. Question number 5. Soma bought a TV remote for rupees 500. For how much should she sell it to gain 20%? So, gain percentage is equal to 20% and CP is equal to 500. Therefore, SP is equal to selling price of the remote is rupees 600. This is the answer. Manisha bought a calculator for rupees 700 and she had to sell it at a loss of 14%. Find the selling price of the calculator. Once more. Manisha bought a calculator for rupees 700 and she had sell it at a loss of 14%. Find the selling price of the calculator. Here loss percentage is equal to 14% and CP is equal to 700. Therefore, loss money is equal to 14% of CP. Therefore, SP is equal to selling price of calculator is rupees 602. This is the answer. Thank you.